Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. And in the front side we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. Also we can use wireless charging station to charge your earbuds. You just put it at the wireless charging station, and again we can see this LED light here. And because of that, you can use reverse wireless charging. If your phone supports this technology, you need to enable it in the settings, and you can just put it at the back side of your phone. And again, as you can see, we have this LED light. And the last one is to use your phone to charge your headphones with a cable. And all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one, USB-C cable at the USB-C port on your charging case. And right here we can also see this LED light. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!